Case study, AI in Cybersecurity, Enhancing Threat Detection and Response, a case study from Cybersecure Inc. AI is reshaping cybersecurity through enhanced detection, prevention, and response to cyber threats. In the Operations Center of Cybersecure Inc., a global cybersecurity firm, the integration of AI has become the cornerstone of their defensive strategy. John, the Chief Information Security Officer, oversees a team of skilled analysts who are grappling with the ever-evolving landscape of cyber threats. A recent incident at Cybersecure Inc. underscores the importance of AI in cybersecurity. One morning, the AI system flagged unusual login attempts originating from multiple geographical locations within a short span of time. These attempts targeted the company's internal database, which contains sensitive client information. Traditional methods might have missed this anomaly, but the AI-based system, through its machine learning algorithms, identified this irregular pattern and alerted John's team immediately. John convened an emergency meeting with his team to analyze the situation. The AI had detected a sophisticated brute force attack aimed at gaining unauthorized access to the database. This raises a crucial question. How effective are traditional methods compared to AI in detecting such sophisticated threats? The team agreed that traditional methods relying on known threat signatures would have failed to detect the new pattern. AI, with its ability to learn and adapt continuously, was crucial in identifying the new threat. This incident also highlighted the predictive power of AI. By examining historical data of cyber attacks, the AI system had already identified a pattern of increased brute force attacks on financial databases during the end of the fiscal year. Could the preemptive capabilities of AI have provided earlier warnings? Indeed, the predictive analytics feature of AI was instrumental in setting up advanced defenses. The team had enhanced security protocols for database access, including multi-factor authentication and stricter monitoring based on AI predictions. The role of AI in automating response mechanisms became apparent during the attack. As soon as the anomaly was detected, the AI system automatically isolated the affected servers, blocked the malicious IP addresses, and began deploying patches to mitigate the vulnerabilities. This swift response limited the damage and contained the threat. What are the advantages of automating response mechanisms in cybersecurity? The team's discussion revealed that automation significantly reduces the response time and minimizes human error, which is often a critical vulnerability in manual operations. The incident also brought to light the importance of addressing insider threats. In the aftermath, the AI system continuously monitored user behavior to detect any deviations from established norms. The system noticed that an employee had accessed sensitive data outside of regular hours and downloaded large volumes of information. This raised an important question. How can AI enhance the detection and prevention of insider threats? The analysis showed that continuous monitoring and behavioral analysis by AI are essential in identifying and neutralizing insider threats before they cause significant harm. Right? Another significant aspect discussed was the role of AI in threat intelligence. The AI system had gathered and analyzed data from various sources, including dark web forums and social media, to provide a comprehensive picture of the evolving threat landscape. By correlating this data, the system could prioritize threats based on their severity and potential impact. How does AI improve the accuracy and efficiency of threat intelligence? The team's consensus was that AI's ability to process massive amounts of data from diverse sources enhances the accuracy of threat intelligence, enabling more informed decision-making. In addition to these applications, AI's role in vulnerability management was examined. The AI system had proactively scanned for vulnerabilities in cybersecurity CurePort software and systems, assessed their severity, and recommended remediation actions. How can AI streamline the vulnerability management process? The team's findings indicated that AI not only identifies vulnerabilities, but also predicts which ones are most likely to be exploited based on historical attack data, allowing for more effective prioritization of patching efforts. Despite the numerous benefits, the team acknowledged the challenges posed by adversarial attacks. Adversaries can manipulate AI systems to evade detection or produce incorrect results. To what extent do adversarial attacks undermine the effectiveness of AI in cybersecurity? The team discussed various strategies to mitigate these risks, including developing robust AI models that can withstand adversarial manipulation and implementing rigorous validation and testing protocols. Ethical considerations also featured prominently in the discussion. The continuous monitoring and analysis of user behavior by AI raised privacy concerns. How can organizations balance security needs with individual privacy rights? The team emphasized the importance of transparency in AI operations and ensuring compliance with relevant regulations and ethical standards to build trust and ensure accountability. In conclusion, the integration of AI into CyberSecure Incorp's cybersecurity strategies proved to be a game changer. The AI system's capabilities in data analysis, pattern recognition, and predictive analytics enhanced threat detection, enabled proactive threat prediction, and automated response mechanisms, strengthening defenses against both external and insider threats. However, the deployment of AI must address challenges such as adversarial attacks and ethical considerations to ensure its effectiveness and trustworthiness. As cyber threats continue to evolve, AI will play an increasingly vital role in securing digital infrastructure and protecting sensitive information. Analyzing the incident reinforces the lesson that AI is indispensable in modern cybersecurity, providing a robust, adaptive, and proactive defense mechanism.